Hey car owner, we've got some exciting news just for you. Introducing our AI-powered chatbot, your 24/7 accessible car companion. Need quick and accurate solutions to your car problems? Our chatbot has got you covered. Say goodbye to unnecessary repairs and hello to savings. By joining us as an early adopter, you'll enjoy priority access to new features, discounts, and a vibrant community of fellow car owners. With our chatbot by your side, you'll have the confidence to handle any car-related challenge that comes your way. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity. Visit our website now to become an early adopter and enjoy the perks of hassle-free car ownership. Are you ready to say goodbye to car troubles? Like and share this post if you're ready to join the hassle-free car ownership revolution.